Hey y'all, hey, it's Tia of Tia Takes the World, and today I'll be answering some frequently asked questions that I've received about starting your own travel business and becoming a travel agent. Let's get into it. Alright, so if you don't know me, I'm Tia and my brand is Tia Takes the World. My brand is dedicated to inspiring travel, helping people through tips, comedy, and just showcasing wanderlust around the world. I started my brand about 9 years ago when I moved abroad to the UAE to teach physical education. I just knew that I wanted to share my adventures for anybody that was coming from where I was from and that didn't have the opportunity to travel. I just kind of wanted to show them what was out there because so many people told me not to travel in the way that I was. And I was like, let me show you what it's really about, even though I didn't know myself. But it ended up turning out to be an amazing adventure. And here I am 9 years later trying to inspire other people to travel. I've traveled to over 40 countries, and the mission for my brand went from just showcasing my travels to wanting to help people to be able to travel like I was, whether it was taking a trip yearly, whether that be internationally or domestically, whatever it was. I just wanted to help anyone that wanted to travel to be able to experience and have the benefits that travel gave to me. So that's what Tia Takes the World is, and it ended up birthing Take the World Travel, which officially came into fruition this year about 6 months ago, and it has been thriving, which kind of takes me into our first question. Is it hard to start a travel business and become a travel agent? So the answer is absolutely not. It is not hard. It's probably one of the easiest industries to get into because it's travel. Everybody loves travel. Travel is one of the most top searched industries in the world. It's $1 trillion industry, and it's not going anywhere because people, especially with social media, people get to see where it is that they want to go, and it just builds up that wanderlust. It ignites that fire in people, and half of the work is done for you. People already want to travel, and they just need you to sign up to be an agent to help them to see those beautiful places. So just a backstory to my travel agency journey. I actually signed up to be an agent in 2018, and I signed up because I was booking people's trips anyways. I was booking my own trips, and I felt like I needed some help. I needed some backing, maybe from an agency. And at the time, I just kind of looked up travel agencies, and I signed up with an agency. I was like, okay, what's this about? They sent me all of the resources that I needed. It was actually this agency that I'm with now. They sent me the information, and my head exploded because I was like, oh, this is a lot. This is like all the information I ever received in college, and I was supposed to just figure this out myself. It was presented very well. Like, they sent videos, you had quizzes that you could take. It was presented very well, but I had no guidance. I didn't know which way was up, which way was west, east, north, south, nothing. And it was just very overwhelming. So I said, meh, I've been doing it by myself all this time. I might as well continue. So for the next 5 years, I continued to book trips for myself and my friends, and they were great. But now that I'm in the industry and I've had some guidance, I realized, it could have been better. And I could have been making money off of booking my own travel and my friends' travel. Anyways, I'm here now, and I'm so happy with the experience that I've been able to have, to be able to know the difference in starting without guidance and support to having support. And I'm a testimony to tell you the support is real, the support is needed, and it's going to help you be successful. So if you have the correct support, it's easy peasy. And you do have the correct support. You're on this video, so that means that you can be a part of my team where we're lit. We have a Facebook group where questions are asked and answered all the time. Even me having traveled to over 40 countries, I figured I was a travel expert, but coming into this business, I had to relearn some things and learn new systems and ways of working. And even 6 months later, after booking several trips for people, booking group trips and all inclusives and feeling like an expert in certain things, I still have some questions. And I guarantee you, every time I ask my group in the chat, they're like, here, it's like 6 people answering every single time. And it's just such a family and a community, and you're able to get those questions asked and you're able to get coaching. If you sign up with me, I will be your coach to be able to guide you all the way through. We're always constantly learning and helping one another, and it's just a great team to be a part of. So the next question that I get asked is, how much money can you make? And that is such a great question. And the thing that I love about this industry and working with this company and different vendors within the company is the transparency of it all. With all of the bookings that I've ever had, they all have what your commission is going to be. So if you book this trip for 2 people to Cancun for 6 days, and they have their flight included, this is their hotel, this is how much money you're going to make. And I can't tell you how much because it depends on who it is that you're booking for. I can't tell you the exact number, but baby, all you're doing is booking a trip, and it's not difficult at all. Okay, it's not difficult at all. So you're making money by doing what you were doing anyways. Usually you go into these third-party booking apps and book these trips and get nothing. Now you're getting people deals and you're getting paid. And I think that that is so amazing. And like I said, it's very transparent. You get out of it what you put into it. And if you come in this business ready, hungry, wanting to help people, wanting to help yourself, you'll get a lot out of it. Another question that people ask me is, how do I get clients? And I promise you, I thought the same thing. Although I had already built a brand of people who like to follow my travels, I didn't think that they wanted to choose me to be their travel agent. They probably booked themselves. That's what I thought. But I just put it out there and I told people, hey, I'm a travel agent. And the floodgates open up. You would be surprised at how many people want and need your help to book certain travel. With our company and different vendors that we work with, you get deals all the time. You see so many discounted travel specials that you wouldn't get if you weren't an agent. I put those on my page and I have people saying, hey, that's November 21st to the 24th. Sign me up for that. But sometimes people that I don't even know, just because I told them that I was an agent. So you just have to be open and willing to share who you are and what you do, and those clients will come to you. So if you've gotten to this part of the video and you're thinking, I think I'm with it, but I'm still not sure, let me implore you, just do it, okay? Just sign up and try it out and see what you can get from it. The best thing about this company is that we have a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means if you don't like it, okay, that's cool. You don't have to continue. But I promise you, once you get started, if your reasons for wanting to do this is to earn a little extra income, if your reasons for wanting to do this is to get discounts for your own travels or to make money on your travels, if you want to help other people travel, then I think that this is for you, and I think you'll go past the 30 days. It takes 21 days to build a habit, and you have a little bit extra than that to see if you can stay in an industry and with a business that can change your life. So I implore you, click the link. I have a 3-day workshop that will give you full details, better than I was able to give you in this short video answering questions, of what the industry and our team looks like, what it looks like to join our company. And if you decide that this is something that you want to do, I would love to have you on my team. You will have the backing of our Facebook group, which I already told you is lit. We give guidance, we give support, and we would love to have you there. So if this is a journey that you think that you want to dive into, come on, the water's fine. Let's take the world.